Hey everyone! In this video, I'll walk you through how to add trust badges to your Shopify store using the Essential Trust Badges and Icons app, knowing an easy way to build customer confidence and boost sales. Let's get started. First, head over to the Shopify App Store. In the search bar, type Essential Trust Badges and Icons and click Install. Once the app is installed, open it and click on Create New Badge. You'll land on the Content tab, where you can choose from three types of badges. Single banner displays one icon with a title, subheading, and optional call to action button. Icon block shows multiple icons in a row, great for highlighting features like secure checkout, fast shipping, etc. Payment icons displays logos of accepted payment methods. For this example, let's choose the icon block. You can add multiple icons, edit their titles, rearrange them easily, choose from a built-in library of professional icons. There's also a translation feature available if you run a multi-language store. Next, go to the Design tab. Here you can fully customize the look of your badges. Choose a ready-made template or design from scratch. Set background colors or gradients. Adjust borders, spacing, and corner radius. Customize icon size, color, and layout. Control how many icons show per row on desktop and mobile. Modify fonts, title sizes, and colors to match your branding. Once you're happy with the design, move on to the Placement tab. Here, you can decide where your badges appear: on all products, on specific products. On products with certain tags, you can also use app blocks for custom placement. Enable geo-targeting to show badges in selected countries or globally. Finally, click Publish, and your trust badges will go live on your store. If you run into any issues or want custom styling, you can always contact the app's support team for help. That's it. A simple way to increase trust and improve conversions on your store.